Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made a simple focaccia dough. Take warm water, sugar, yeast, let it activate for 5 minutes. Take flour, salt in a bowl, add the yeast water, shape it into a dough, apply olive oil and mix well. Set aside for 30 minutes. I like to keep it beside the stove so it rises faster. In a baking tray, add olive oil, place the dough into the baking tray and cover and set aside for 30 minutes. Make dimples on the dough, apply a generous amount of olive oil, place garlic, bake till done. Check the description for complete recipe and baking time. Let's make the pasta. I'm using whole wheat beetroot pasta. Heat olive oil, add garlic, tomato puree, salt, sugar, red chilli flakes, Italian seasoning, ketchup and mix well. The pasta sauce is done. Add the cooked pasta and the cooking liquid, mix well. I like to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It is totally optional. This is what I packed for my kids lunch box today. I added some biscuit in her snacks box. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.